Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, as you can see, 25 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings than Chrome. So to check some further details, you can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the specific screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. And under it, you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the specific time you've spent on them. Here you can set the app timers. If you can see this hourglass icon, you can tap on it. And for example, if I will set the timer for 1 hour and 30 minutes, it means that I can use this specific app for 1 hour and 30 minutes during a day. And after midnight, after that time, it will be disabled. And obviously at midnight, it will be restarted. So that's quite a cool option to limit the time you're spending on the specific app. And after getting back, you've got also this ways to disconnect, and you've got the focus mode. So basically you can choose some distracting apps, just mark them, and then set a schedule. You can choose the start and the end time, specific days of the week, and then set. And then your device will basically hide the notifications from those distracting apps, so you can focus on different activities like working, studying, spending time with your family, resting, or whatever you'd like to do during that scheduled time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.